Hello, everybody, and welcome to Car for Sale Simulator 2023. We're gonna play a new game. I have never ever played this before, so this is a entirely new experience for me, and it is very loud. Okay. Wow. Okay. What is this?
Welcome to Car Simulator for Sale 2023.
Whoa. Cool. Collect the trash. Ah, lag. Guess we got to clean everything up. What is this? What's this? Did we just throw away a car? It seems all clean to me. Throw. You can throw? No? Oh. Okay. So we have our office now. Let's check this out. Web page. Okay, we're gonna see if we can go buy a car. What? Why can't I do anything? Oh yeah, okay. We need to change our name. How are we supposed to do this? Head to the office and access your computer to decoration section. Okay. Decoration, sign. Hold on. Sign. Okay, how are we supposed to do this? Decoration section, we'll be able to change the name. Sign. What is this? Okay, there is. Okay, what is this supposed? Okay, we got it. We're gonna name it No Scams Here. Good. We have it. There we have it. Amazing. We're gonna go buy a car now from the neighborhood. Let's see here. Okay. Just gonna see how much all these are. Gonna try to buy some of them. Only 7,041. Okay. That is a lot of money. Okay, I'm not gonna buy this yet. We'll check out this one. 2,000. Okay. We're gonna see. Okay, I'm just gonna buy this at this point. Okay. We are. Okay, it works. That's a good thing. We're gonna go to our. We are gonna go to our dealership here. It's fine. It's not fine. everything will be okay. Should be down the road here. Yep, over there. Come on. Okay, we're gonna go into here. Okay, thank goodness you can actually drive through that. Okay, we're gonna see. No problem with the car. Okay, thanks. Gonna turn it on. Whoa. Gonna park this thing in here. Okay, we have our car. We're gonna go on to the web page. We got a Fiat Panta. Okay, sweet. We are going to hold on a minute. Okay, so in tab. I have to. Okay, I don't think we can add a picture to it just yet. But we are. Okay, I guess we're gonna do it for. We're gonna do it for 5,000 here. And it's on sale now, so we should be getting customers soon, I guess. We're gonna see. Oh, hello, hello. Okay, we're gonna see what she wants for it. Oh, sweet. Sell. Thank you. Okay, we're gonna go to bed now. But we got $10,000. Good start. Yeah, we're just gonna go to bed and I'll see you in the morning, guys. Good morning. Car for sale simulate. What? What happened here? This is the most awkward position I think anything, like any car has been in this game. Okay, that got, okay. That's the thing. Oh, the car market's open. Okay, we're gonna go there. We're gonna see what we can buy with our 10K. Hopefully we can get something good here. Oh, that's a nice Mustang. Probably don't have enough for it. 38,000. Okay, we cannot buy that yet. I like this. I like this Abarth. Okay. Whoa, 300. Okay, definitely not. We are going to see if we can buy this Beetle instead. 28K. Still, nope. This one has got to be like a little less than 10,000. Okay. We're gonna buy it. We're gonna buy this. Okay. Hopefully it's like, hopefully it actually works. Okay, it does. That's good. Let's go. Okay, it's kind of loud. Hold on, I'm gonna turn the volume down for you. There we go. That's better. That's not better. Okay, so here we are at our dealership. It got really dirty. Okay, hold on. Who's leaving trash here? Who's leaving trash in my dealership? Nuh-uh. No way. Alright, we are gonna see if there's anything wrong with the car. Come on, please be nothing wrong with this. Whoa, whose car is that? Is that mine? Please give me that truck. I want that truck. Okay, it's not too much. It's only 500. We are going to repair. Okay. Oh man, I didn't get a truck. This thing's not gonna be done for like 30 more seconds. It's a long time for this game. We're gonna see. Okay, so we can paint stuff here. Okay. What's under here? What's under this thing? Oh, sweet, it's done. Thank you, Steam. Okay, we're gonna. Can't see. Okay, thank you. I can see again. We're gonna paint this bad boy. Okay, we're gonna see how much we can get, like, to paint this bad boy. Yeah, who wouldn't want a red car? Right? Yeah. Nice. Okay, that is going to be. Okay, that's good. Let's go back to the dealership. This thing kind of wants to. Why does this thing want to drift so much? Woo! Okay. We're gonna sell this thing. Never crashed. Clean. No damage. No scans. We're gonna go for, let's say 15,000 here. Yeah, 15,000. Okay, it's on sale. Big sale, guys. Come and see it. Don't look at that. Gotta wait here for a few minutes. Hello there. Do you want to buy this car? No, we're not gonna sell this. We're not gonna sell it to him. Please, can we get more customers? Come on. This is sad. This is so sad. How much do you want for this car? Okay. 15,000, 9,000. We'll do it. Okay, we got 11,000 now. We are gonna go to the car market again to see what more we can buy. Okay, there's a lot of people talking here. Please, 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 please. I can't. I can't. This thing shouldn't be that much. Okay, we're gonna buy this one. Is there something? I think there's something wrong with this. The wheels are absolutely massive. We don't talk about that. I have a skill point. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. What is wrong with this thing? My gosh, this thing is slow. Okay, we're gonna see how much we can get for this thing. Radara station wagon. Okay. No damage. Okay. $25,000 because money. You know? That's a lot of money. We don't have any money. I'm hoping we can get if we can actually sell this for the max, the full amount. Okay, please, just do 25 on the dot, please. Nope, we're not selling that. We gotta do at least 15,000 for it to actually work. Okay, please. I don't think this game's gonna be that nice to me, though. 14,000? Okay, I'll do it. Okay, you guys, that's the end of the video. Like and subscribe for more. Bye.